Sorry my last video got cut off, but here's the end of the fight. Playtime. No puppies were hurt in the making of this video. Josie. She sounds so vicious. And she's such a snuggle bug. Oh, she got you now. Oh no, they're taking it on the couch. Get off the furniture. Get out of here. Go get her, Phoebe. Go get her. Oh. Is this where we're kissing and making up and it's well done? Oh, kisses. Oh, I don't trust Josie. Oh, no, we're not making up like that. Phoebe, don't try to hump her. I said kisses. Be nice, not that nice. Phoebe's showing her dominance. She's like, yeah, I won. Come here. I'm going to hump you. What are you doing? Huh? Yeah, just a couple more weeks. And Josie's going to get spayed. Are we done, girls? Are we done? So cute. I love my girls. They make my house a mess. It's mud season, so hence all the sand on my rug. Yep. Game over. I don't know. Comment down below who you think won that tussle. Have a great day, y'all. Bye. Josie, say bye. Jojo. Jojo. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hi, BB.